Do you know about this major way you can lower your internet service bill? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and one of the most overlooked ways to reduce your monthly internet bill is by buying your own equipment when it comes to your modem or router at home. If you're renting your router or high-speed modem from your internet provider, you may not have even realized that this may be an option for you. That means not paying them the money and instead getting your own. It's a lot easier, as you know. They get the cable people to show up at your house and they put it all in, set it up for you. But this one extra step is worth the effort to buy your own equipment in many cases. So why should you? While not all providers will allow you to do this, if you're able to buy your own modem and router, you'll save major money in the long run. Plus, there are some additional benefits. First off, you're paying a set price. That means no more surprise fees from your internet service provider for renting equipment, which, by the way, they can just raise or lower that bill if you're going to raise it whenever they want to. Next, you could also save on taxes. Depending upon your state, you cannot be taxed on internet, but you can be taxed on the equipment you rent for your internet. So you'll save the monthly rental fee plus the monthly tax. Didn't know that one, did you? Next, you get to keep your own equipment. That means you don't have to return the equipment if you move or change internet service providers, which saves you the hassle of dropping off or mailing equipment back and being charged even more fees if any of it is deemed damaged. Plus, if you buy your own equipment, you know that you're getting better technology. You can do your own research and figure out what features you want. The cable company is probably going to oversell the latest and greatest router and then slap a huge monthly rental fee for it. Another benefit of avoiding the cable guys from coming over to install their equipment: saving on installation fees. You may have to pay a small activation or monthly fee if you use your own equipment, but it'll be flat and much lower than paying for the internet provider to install theirs. Finally, you'll have more control. Wouldn't you rather have control over this and not give it to the cable company to tweak your privacy settings as they see fit? While internet service providers may mean well, many of their modems and routers are limited in settings and features that they dictate. And if you're relatively knowledgeable or just want the option to tinker with all the settings, that's for you, not for them. You should definitely invest in your own modem and router. That's what I do here. That's what I got from my mother. That's what I got from my in-laws. And guess what? Works like a charm. So, which ones should you buy? I've rated my top ones for the year over at cyberguy.com. All you have to do is search "lower your internet service bill." Not a bad thing to search, because why not save some buckaroos? And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.